What's up, everybody? This is Murdic 3K, and just giving you a little channel update on this particular channel. This is going to be exclusive to M3K Tactical, and this is talking about my build. It's a funny title because really there's nothing tactical about me at all. I'm just a gun enthusiast, just like a lot of you guys watching, and just living the dream. What I am working on is my Aero Precision non-millimeter EPC, and this will be in a 7-inch barrel along with the JP Enterprises MK3 handguard. And I'm just really excited because all my parts are almost in. I'm waiting on the big thing is the bolt carrier group and the charging handle, and after that I'll have everything that I need to really. I could actually put the gun together right now because I do have a bird cage, just in case I don't like the way the compensator is looking. And it's good to have a bird cage on standby because those things just always really never disappoint. But I was going to try something a little different this time around. And that's it. I just wanted to give you guys that little tidbit of where the channel is going and what you can expect down the road. Considering doing a gun candy Cerakote if I can find somebody here that's confident to do it. I've asked a few people, and I'm still waiting to hear on one guy that I contacted. I talked to him about 3 weeks ago and haven't heard back from him yet because he said he never worked on it. He'd get back at me after he looked into it and hadn't heard back from him. So I guess I'll keep on looking. But if you guys are in the Nashville area and you know somebody that works good with gun candy Cerakoting, let me know. I'm looking at that Chameleon Kraken or the Chameleon Mako. One of the two of those is what I'm really looking for. Well, guys, that's about it. Thank you guys for listening to me. Keep on watching, like and subscribe, and live the dream.